This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Ramona Weber. The Lennox is one of our newest floor plans, providing you with multiple floor plan options. Add a downstairs bedroom with ensuite, an office downstairs and up or full bath in the F.R.O.G. This home comes standard with an 8'X4'3 island, 11, Butlers Pantry, gas cooktop for the kitchen, luxury vinyl plank for your great room dining, kitchen, eat-in kitchen and foyer. Don't forget to check out the primary closet that is over 9'X14. April 30th, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Ramona Weber at 757-270-7007.